There are two things costing your financial institution millions of dollars in lost revenue. First, it's loan denials due to lack of credit, and second of all, lack of engagement with your underserved members of your communities. By simply offering your customers a safe credit builder solution, you can improve conversions as well as access new high-value credit consumers. And so thankfully, you're all here today just to see how easy 2.0 has made it to launch a credit builder solution of your own. This is George Ulmer, and I'm Adam Fink. We're the founders of 2.0. We're so excited to demo our white label credit builder solution for you today. Credit builders come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. The credit builder powered by 2.0 has eliminated all of the hurdles that consumers are experiencing when starting their credit journey. We don't require credit checks, no security deposits, and no long-term commitments. And even more importantly, we've actually created the first set it and forget it feature that removes nearly all the risk from your institution as well as the customer. Your customers don't need to worry about using the product correctly or even making payments on time. Our platform does all of that for them. Simply, we'll do the work, they get the credit. So perfect. So right now we're going to take a walk through our white label product. I want to give a big shout out to our first bank partner, Emprise Bank out of Wichita, Kansas, for allowing us to show you just how amazing this co-branded solution is. So the credit builder from 2.0 sits outside of your core platform for simple and easy implementation. We create a custom landing page for your institution to utilize across your digital footprint. And it just looks gorgeous and extremely simple. And from here, consumers are actually able to click sign up, which they're brought to the co-branded external environment that 2.0 hosts. From here, the consumer creates an account, and we collect all of the CIP information and data in order for us to conduct KYC verification in the background. So whether it's a current customer of yours or somebody brand new to your institution, you can be confident that this applicant is who they say they are. And the special thing about this entire process is if we determine that this customer is not currently a member of your financial institution, we can provide the links and reporting necessary for you to be able to develop that valuable long-term deposit relationship. So being able to onboard these consumers is a highly valuable tool. So once we're able to verify the identity here after the social security number, we're going to move the customer onto connecting their bank account. The special thing about 2.0 is we utilize the consumer's cash flow data in order to underwrite them for the credit builder, and then we also use the ACH detail to set up ACH repayments. We utilize this amazing tool from our friends at MX as their Connect widget. With this tool, we can approve over 96% of applicants and then issue them a $100 unsecured line of credit with 0% interest and no hidden fees. Thankfully, George has all my passwords for my bank accounts, so there's no money there anyway. Once approved, the consumer is given two options on how they want to build credit. So you can see here on the right, we have a manual option. This turns the credit builder into just a standard line of credit. In this situation, the consumer is fully responsible for the effectiveness of their credit builder. Obviously, we want to push them to the simple and recommended solution, which is our autopilot program that really automates all the money moves required to build positive payment history. So what the autopilot feature really is a very simple weekly auto draw and auto repayment of $25 that makes it the easiest way to build credit through that positive payment history and utilization. Customer doesn't have to do a thing, it just happens weekly on their behalf. So once they select their option here, George, we actually are moving on to collecting all the electronic signatures. The entire process of onboarding the customer into the credit builder can take as little as 5 minutes, which is extremely easy for these customers, and once they're done, they just don't have to go about their day. So we're going to collect all the electronic signatures, and once complete, the customer is going to end up being brought to the credit builder dashboard. From here, the customer is able to see all of the details related to their credit builder, their balance due, their due date. They can check the progress on their credit building so that over time they can see where they started, 600, 620, 640, and prepare themselves for the future. And then they can also manually draw money against their available credit at any time. And then they can also make payments whenever they want outside of their currently automatically scheduled due dates. We've made building credit as easy as it possibly can be. And when you can see that just one conversion of a mortgage denial can cover the entire cost of a 2.0 credit builder contract. It's really a no-brainer not to partner with us, to partner with us. I definitely want you to partner with us. Let me correct that right now. But we're at a really exciting time in our journey. So there's two things I want to ask from you all today. First of all, if you're a financial institution and you want to improve conversion rates or improve interactions with your consumers, we want to be able to get you on the path to implementation right away. And to spice things up for you all here at Finovate, we are actually waiving our implementation fee for the first 5 institutions that sign a good faith letter of intent. Perfect, I'll take that one. And if you're just crazy enough like this individual here, I have those contracts, very simple, ready to go with me this week. Let's get it done. And secondly, 2.0 is ready to take off. We're at a very exciting point, like I said. We're looking for smart, motivated, value-add investors to add to our cap table. If you want to join us in that journey, we would love to have you. We're raising a current bridge round that's going to get us to a significant Series A in 2023. So if you want to learn more about how to partner with 2.0 or invest in 2.0, you stop by our booth right after this demo, or you can schedule a session with me via the Finovate app, connect with me on LinkedIn, or more preferably, let's just grab a drink and have a chat. That's where I thrive and flourish. So we appreciate all the time. This is a complete honor to be able to demo our very simple credit builder solution that's going to be leading the way into the future for new credit consumers. And from George, myself, the rest of the 2.0 team not here on stage, we thank you and appreciate your time.